guys, welcome to channel Second Android. This time I will give a tutorial on how to change the YouTube channel header. Okay, let's just open Google Chrome. We type in the search field, youtube.com. After that we click the three dots that I marked. Select desktop site. Click profile. Click your channel. Click customize channel. Click branding. Select change. Select image. Click done. Click publish. Okay, now we check. Did the channel header image change? Well, this is guys. YouTube channel header has changed. Okay, until here guys. How to change YouTube channel header. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Second Android. See you guys.